Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0970 indicates a malfunction in the Pressure Control Solenoid C control circuit, specifically fitted in the Honda Civic models from 2016 to 2021. This diagnostic trouble code arises when there is a low electrical signal detected in the CVT clutch pressure control solenoid, which is an essential component for controlling hydraulic pressure in the continuously variable transmission, CVT. The solenoid operates based on a duty cycle output from the transmission control module, TCM, that manages vehicle hydraulic functions. If the TCM perceives that the current flowing through the solenoid doesn't match the expected value based on the commanded duty cycle, it records this anomaly and triggers the P0970 code. It's crucial to understand that this malfunction could stem from issues such as an open circuit, but short circuit, or internal failures within the solenoid or the TCM. This condition not only affects the vehicle's transmission performance, but may also activate various warning indicators on the dashboard, requiring urgent attention and subsequent repairs. The Pressure Control Solenoid C is a critical component located within the transmission system of the Honda Civic. This solenoid is responsible for regulating the hydraulic pressure applied to both the forward clutch and reverse brake within the continuously variable transmission, CVT. The TCM sends electrical signals to the solenoid, directing it on how much pressure to apply based on the vehicle's needs. When functioning properly, the solenoid utilizes a spool mechanism that adjusts to the current to create the required hydraulic pressure efficiently. If the circuit sensing this pressure operates below normal thresholds, it results in the P0970 code being set. This occurs because the transmission control module continuously monitors sensor inputs and actuators to ensure optimal performance. Thus, any deviation in the expected hydraulic pressure could lead to a signal that triggers this diagnostic trouble code. There are several potential causes for the DTC P0970. First, an open circuit in the CVT clutch pressure control solenoid valve can prevent electrical current from reaching the component, which would disrupt its function. This can also occur due to a loose or disconnected electrical connector, resulting in a failure of the solenoid to receive proper signals from the TCM. Another possible cause is the internal circuit failure within the transmission control module itself, which may inaccurately send signals or misinterpret feedback from the solenoid, thus failing to control the hydraulic pressure appropriately. Each of these issues represents a distinct pathway to malfunction, and diagnosing them accurately will reveal the exact reason behind the DTC being triggered. It is also important to note that there could be additional causes not explicitly mentioned, necessitating thorough examination. Several symptoms may indicate the presence of DTC P0970. Primarily, the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, on the dashboard will illuminate, signaling that there is an issue within the vehicle's transmission system. Coupled with this, the shift position indicator may blink, alerting the driver to a malfunction affecting gear shifting. This could lead to reduced performance, as the vehicle may struggle to engage gears smoothly. Additionally, drivers may experience erratic acceleration or a delay in shifting, feelings that indicate improper hydraulic pressure management within the transmission. Such symptoms necessitate immediate diagnosis and repair, as they directly impact the safety and efficiency of vehicle operation. Understanding these symptoms is crucial for timely intervention. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0970 involves starting the engine and allowing it to run for a minimum of 1 second. This is important because the system needs to be in an operational state for accurate diagnostics. Once the engine is running, the next step is to connect the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to the vehicle's onboard diagnostics. The HDS is a specialized diagnostic tool used to access and interpret the vehicle's trouble codes and sensor data. Running the diagnostic tests through HDS will provide the technician with crucial information about the status of the CVT clutch pressure control solenoid and the TCM. The results will help identify specific issues related to the electrical circuit, ensuring that subsequent repairs target the correct components. Failure to follow this step may lead to misdiagnosis or overlooking the root cause of the issue. The second troubleshooting step requires a thorough visual examination of the CVT clutch pressure control solenoid and its electrical connectors. This includes checking for any broken, loose, or disconnected wiring that might lead to an open circuit. Inspecting the connectors is essential since they are common points of failure due to corrosion, dirt, or physical damage. Any signs of wear or poor connection should be addressed promptly, as they can significantly affect the solenoid's performance. Additionally, if connections appear intact, further inspection into the solenoid itself may be required. It's critical to document any findings during this step, as they provide valuable insights into the potential sources of the DTC while directing the technician to subsequent testing or repair actions. In this third step, it is necessary to measure the output signals from the TCM while the engine is running and under normal conditions. The TCM should command specific voltage levels that correspond to the operational requirements of the CVT clutch pressure control solenoid. Utilizing a multimeter or the HDS will allow technicians to check these output levels for any abnormalities. If the measured values deviate significantly from the expected range, it could indicate an internal failure within the TCM or issues upstream affecting the relay command function. This step aims to verify whether the TCM is functioning as intended, ensuring that it provides accurate commands to the solenoid. Proper interpretation of these measurements is paramount for diagnosing the root cause correctly. After completing any necessary repairs, it is crucial to conduct a final verification to ensure that the issues related to DTC P0970 have been resolved. This process involves taking the vehicle for a test drive to evaluate its performance under various conditions, ensuring that the transmission operates smoothly without triggering the check engine light again. The vehicle should be observed for any symptoms previously associated with the DTC to confirm successful repairs. Upon returning to the service area, a final scan using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, should be performed to ensure that the diagnostic trouble code is cleared and that no new codes have appeared. This step protects against resuming operation with unresolved issues, thereby ensuring the vehicle's overall reliability and performance. Preventive maintenance plays a crucial role in avoiding future occurrences of DTC P0970. Regularly scheduled transmission fluid changes will help ensure optimal performance of the CVT and its components, including the CVT clutch pressure control solenoid. Fresh, clean fluid is essential for efficient hydraulic operation and overall transmission longevity. Additionally, a routine inspection of electrical connections will allow for early identification of any signs of wear or corrosion, which can lead to issues in performance or electrical connectivity. Making a habit of these preventive measures can alleviate the risk of solenoid failure and subsequent DTC appearances, ultimately promoting a more secure and reliable driving experience. Consistency in preventive actions reinforces the integrity of the vehicle's transmission system. In summary, understanding the role of the CVT clutch pressure control solenoid is essential for diagnosing issues related to DTC P0970 effectively. This code signifies a malfunction in the solenoid circuit, impacting the vehicle's transmission functionality. Recognizing potential causes, such as open circuits or TCM failures, helps technicians pinpoint the root of the problem quickly. Moreover, recognizing related symptoms like the illumination of the malfunction indicator lamp and erratic shifting assists drivers in taking prompt action. Emphasizing preventive maintenance can significantly reduce the risk of recurrence, ensuring both the safety and efficiency of vehicle operation. Proper awareness and action are critical, highlighting the interaction between the driver and the vehicle's diagnostic systems. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!